Hey riders, hope all of you are doing great. Welcome back to another video of Musafir. Why this helmet is in my hand? We are going to talk about a very important topic which a lot of riders who come to our store ask us, and that is when you should change your helmet. When I was changing my helmet, I had no clue on when I should do that, and I was using it, and I didn't find anything which could guide me uh, to change the helmet. And I went around and spoke to a lot of my friends, people who have been riding for a long time, and they really enlightened me on when to change a helmet. And this video I would like to cover all of that. So let's get into it. Number one, in case you have met with an accident. Now it is very straight. If you have met with an accident and your helmet has taken the hit, then it is important that you go ahead and replace the helmet immediately, because a helmet which has seen accident is not at all safe for further use. It is not going to protect you. Number two, if you see visible damage on the outer shell of the helmet, we recommend you to go to a nearest store, get your helmet checked, and if you can do it yourself, please do so. And if you see any internal damages, you should immediately go ahead and change the helmet. You can come to our store as well, we can do that for you. Number three, something which a lot of us do not know: manufacturers today recommend that a helmet purchased let's say this year can be used for the maximum of 5 to 6 years. Now if your helmet has attained that age, then it's time for you to replace. I think that makes sense as well, because in 6 years, if you have regularly using a helmet, it has seen everything, right? In case your helmet is 5 to 6 years old, go ahead and replace the helmet. Number four, very important, is in case your fasteners, your ratchets, your liners are not giving you comfort, it is time for you to replace. It can be you have replaced your liners, you have changed many things, but still it is not giving you the comfort which it used to give. Then I think it's time for you to change the helmet. A worn out helmet is of no use, because it is not going to really protect you when you are on the highways at high speed. So if these points are applicable, then I think you should go ahead and change the helmet. Do not use a worn out helmet. Hope this made sense. If you have additional points, comments, please put it on the comment section and share it with your friends. Until next time, this is Linson signing off. Thank you.